Hi guys, how are you doing today? Today I am in the mood of opening another perfume, and this one is Al Rehab brand. Myself, I already have few Al Rehab products. I have Dalal, and then I forgot what's the other name, and then I have Silver is the next one that I have to open actually. It's a dupe for something very good, and I have another one, and that one, I just forgot the name right now. I think the name of it is Soft, is the name. And that one is very type of airy, and type of molecular feeling, But let's not, ramble more. Let's have a look at this particular perfume. Sometimes they are called crown perfumes. I have no idea why, but myself, I'm more familiar with Al Rehab type of brand. I also have Choco Musk, which I layer other perfumes with Choco Musk, and actually I get compliments. But by itself, Choco Musk for me is not strong enough, guys. But I do layer it with other perfumes. Let's have a look at this Rayan Black. I wanted to experience something maybe with oud, from Al Rehab brand, but like I don't know which one, how does it feel like. I don't have yet Al Rehab any type of product that would amaze me too much. I haven't had it yet, but let's open this perfume. We're gonna spray it. To me, black color seems like, that the perfume might have oud, but I don't know, guys. Let's see what it says. This is the packaging. That's how it looks like. Al Rehab perfume. Nothing too fancy, but also fancy at the same time, just because the shape of the bottle is not something that, would be very, very common to have. And it's also a good thing as well, because it's always nice to experience some kind of new perfume, and the quantity is not like a lot. So that means if you hate this perfume, that will be, not a big deal. It wasn't expensive, this perfume. It was around like €10 less than that, I think. Or maybe there was some kind of deal. I don't remember. I got it on Amazon, guys. Black Ryan. I don't feel. Okay, let's do that. Guys. Okay, okay. It actually reminded me of Ragba, just the first type of sniff. It reminds me Ragba by Latafa mixed with Ardal Zafran, Oud 24 Hours, which is due to Tom Ford. But so those two are perfumes that I really like. But let me see one more time. I actually didn't expect that this perfume will be as soft as what I got. It will not be perfume that I hate, I also smell some kind of like an aniseed, aniseed. I don't smell any oud in it. Need to check those notes, but guys, I think as this perfume, it feels so soft for the moment. I have a feeling that, it's gonna fade away very, very quick on my hand. I have a feeling. Let's spray one more. It's just kind of fading away, it's fading away in a second. So perhaps I will need to spray this perfume more and more, Sorry, the alcohol is hitting me. Let's just chat away. So it really gives this vibe of amber first. Not oud, guys, but amber. It's just alcohol is hitting right now. I think it will be perfume that will have a beautiful dry down. There's nothing harsh in it. It's just I feel that amber. Ambery perfume. And also, it feels like it's going to fade away as well. It's ooh. There is some kind of little bit of peppery note, as if it would be Ardal Zafran, Dirham, Oud collection, peppery notes is opening. Whew, that's interesting. This perfume, first thing that I noticed is that it's not gonna be strong perfume. It's not gonna be lasting long, but I feel it's a combination of many perfumes that I already know. Like, let's say, little bit I feel Ragba, little bit of Ardal Saffran Oud 24 hours, and I even start to feel Ardal Saffran, Oud collection, those peppery notes. That's very interesting. It's like peppery notes right now after dry down, but those type of peppery notes that not only man can wear it, but woman can wear it too. This perfume feels unisex and light. There's nothing that I would be against this perfume. The only thing that I'm against, guys, is that how gentle it is, which it's gonna fade away very, very quick. But so far it's pleasant. If you, let's say, wake up in the morning and you don't want strong perfume, you could go with that one. And you like those ambery notes, and everything. It's definitely going to be likable perfume, Let's see how long it's going to last. I hope it's going to last like 2 hours at least, Soapy notes is opening, which, soapy notes, like a soap. Okay, so you know what? Let's gonna leave it at that. So it opened very quick, guys, with multiple type of notes. It opened, and then it ended up with peppery notes, and even like a soap feeling. Let's see, guys. This perfume will be likable perfume. There's no need to be afraid of everything. Perhaps no need to be too much hopes of it too. But I think I will be happy. I will be happy to have it, It's kind of really a combination of so many notes. Let's see, guys, how it's going to go. Let's see. I will investigate this perfume more and I will let you know later on. So I will say bye-bye to you with Rayan Black. Rayan Black, whatever it means. It feels unisex. I wonder, is that the perfume, guys, that barbers are wearing? Is that the one? Let's see. I will come back to you soon. Have a beautiful day and bye-bye, guys.